Okay, this is the grease gun that I bought, and I got this at Harbor Freight. It was about $8.99, I think. It was less than 20 bucks. That, and I got this premium red grease. Okay, yeah. It's good for multi-purpose farming and fleet industry, so that tells me that it's okay for farming equipment, which John Deere is the original farming equipment. Okay, step 1. Unscrew this. Take that off completely. Alright, done. Oh, so I'm going to pull down this, let's see. Step 2, pull the plunger rod all the way back and ensure it's locked in place, which, it seems to lock on its own. It's not going in, I can't push it. So pull the plunger all the way back. Remove both ends from a 14-ounce grease cartridge and insert the cartridge into the barrel in the direction indicated on the cartridge. Let's see. So it says remove cap. So on the cartridge it says remove cap, this end first, so that comes off, and then got a little pull tab here, pull tab on this side. Certainly don't want this red grease all over me. There we go. And I'm going to pull this off. This end into the gun first. Alright. Screw the head back on the barrel. Done, nice and tight. And I'm going to be using the flexible fitting. Put that on. Let me go get a wrench. I'm going to tighten this up. You depress this tab and it snaps. You got to press it down really hard and it makes a pop. And then you take this plunger and push it forward. Press it all the way forward. And now you're ready to go.